Hey guys, are you looking for your dream home? We can help. Your property specialist. We will make it easy and help you to save time and money. Stay tuned, for this property might be your dream home.
Are you looking for affordable yet elegant house and lot na pwede sa pag-ibig dito sa Santa Maria, Bulacan? Dito lang yan sa Villa Castalia. Villa Castalia is located at Barangay Pulong Buhangin, Santa Maria, Bulacan. And this is accessible via Santa Maria and Norsagaray Road doon sa kabilang portion, at accessible din via Sitio Perez Road dito sa ating barangay. Villa Castalia is a 14 hectares development project of House Plus Ventures Incorporated na merong duplex, townhouse at single attached unit. Semi-complete finished turnover na ito, kaya livable na talaga. We are now looking at Felicia, our duplex model dito sa Villa Castalia. It has 80 square meter na lot area with a floor area of 66 square meter. Tara, check natin. And by the way, as low as 20,000 na reservation fee, pwedeng-pwede na itong mapa sa'yo. And 19,000 na lang kapag nasa pag-ibig na. We have here our space na pwede maging pocket garden or pwede maging lanay. And of course, this is our main door, our main area, main entrance rather. Ayan, tara! So this is our ground floor and this is our third over unit. No? So we have the tiles, we have the private paint, and we also have yung ating mga sliding window. No? Probably this is our living area. No? Pwedeng dito yung ating dining area. Of course, we have the kitchen. No? Meron na tayong may tiles, yung ating kitchen, at meron tayong yung sink, no? At meron na tayong faucet dyan. Okay? So this is our toilet and bath dito sa baba. Of course, kompleto rin yung ating fixtures, no? We have the water closet, the lavatory with faucet, no? May bidet. Now we have our shower head, and of course, we also have other faucet, no? Meron tayong ventilation para sa ventilation at saka sa natural lighting dito sa ating area. And this is our service area, no? Napakalaki na likod natin na pwede natin gawing kitchen or laundry area. Alright? So let's check our second floor. So this is our stairs, no? So it is also made of wood, no? Yung ating steps, and we have our handrails na made of wood din. And again, supported by mga tubular siguro to, no? Ng mga bakal natin. And this is our second floor. Again, no, it has a provision for 3 bedrooms. No, kasya-kasya ang 3 kwarto dito. We also have, no, as mentioned, dalawa din ang toilet and bath. Again, kompleto rin ito sa ating fixtures, no? Ayan, may shower, syempre kompleto yan, may water closet, at saka meron tayong lavabo. And yung ating mga window dito sa second floor, as you can see, mga naka-sliding na rin. And we have our ceiling, no? Kitang-kita nyo naman, ready na. And pati yung ating mga receptacles para sa mga ilaw, ready na. No? Papalitan, gusto nyo palitan ng mga aesthetic lamps, pwede naman, no? So this is our provision for 3 bedrooms. And we also have balcony in this portion. Again, no, yung gusto magpahangin, gusto magkape, o magyosi, o kaya magbasa, you can do that here. That's sa ating balcony, no? And this is our parking area. Nakita nyo naman, napakahaba, napakalaki. And pwedeng-pwede to, no? Sa dalawang kotse, dalawang sasakyan, no? So again, this is Felicia model, no? It has our 80 square meter na lot area at ang floor area na 66.6. So once again, for those who are interested, contact Marlon of Orwell Homes Realty. Tara, we will bring you home.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit like, comment, and share para updated kayo sa mga posts ko. Thank you. Let's go in finding your dream home.